do voice search trends impact SEO strategy? Voice search is reshaping SEO by emphasizing conversational type queries, local intent, and featured snippets. Since voice searches tend to be more long tail, meaning longer and question-based, you're going to want to use your website as a place to optimize for natural language and FAQs. Local businesses should also be prioritizing Google Business Profile optimization, because most voice searches also include the search modifier near me requests. And you'll also want to structure content for featured snippets, which can increase your chance of being the spoken answer in voice search results.